Are you looking for more clients for your Google Ads services? Which businesses and business niches are the best for your digital agency? Hi, it's Wasim here from Globital, coming to you from Faisalabad, Pakistan. And at Globital, we are here to help you design your digital agency to deliver. In this video, we are going to share the top 5 business niches that are the best to sell Google Ads services. If you are digital agency owner here, hit the subscribe button to the Globital TV channel, as we are coming to you every Monday with videos focused on building better digital agency. In the comment, I would love to know one thing you are going to implement today having watched this video. It's all about implementation. Now to our video. Your clients want to know that you will be able to help them see results. As a digital marketing agency, one of your best tools to use is Google Ads. So, which industries are best to focus on to get the best results? Let's see top 5 business niches for Google Ads services, especially in terms of conversion rates and click-through rates. The number one is legal service industry. While the legal industry struggled to find its footing a few years ago, adaptations have earned this industry one of the top 5 positions in conversion rates. With a conversion rate of over 6%, the legal industry is really good niche to focus on. While it only ranks 8th in terms of click-through rate and it has some of the higher costs per click or action, the investment made by your clients is clearly well worth it. The second one is auto industry. The auto industry is a really strong industry to focus your Google Ads services on. It is the 4th highest converting industry. The auto industry has a conversion rate of 6% and a click-through rate of 4%. The auto industry ranks top 5 for conversion rate, top 5 for click-through rate, top 5 for the lowest cost per action. It is the lowest costing, top 10 for lowest cost per click. Your clients will not only see great results, but they will be motivated by the return on their investment. The third one is e-commerce setups, online stores. We can't deny this thing. For many e-commerce businesses, Google Ads is one of the main marketing channels, because whenever we talk about e-commerce marketing, nothing beats the power of e-commerce Google Ads. As a digital marketing strategist or advertiser, on the behalf of your clients, you can reach the right potential shoppers at the right time. So this is the right time to approach online stores to sell your services to them. The fourth one is employment services, sitting in the 5th highest conversion positions. It is no surprise that employment services have seen the results they have during the global pandemic, but this is not the only reason. It is the universally driven need that is spotted by search intent as well as low costs. Employment services is in the top 5 for both the lowest cost per action and cost per click. The number 5 is travel and hospitality. The travel and hospitality industry is 7th in terms of conversion rates, but this industry has the second best click-through rate at well over 4%, and it is in the top 5 for both the lowest cost per action and cost per click. These are the top 5 business niches we recommend you focus your attention on when pitching to clients for sell Google Ads services. Good potential conversion rates, niche products and services, client need and urgency, low cost per click and cost per action, high profit margins, high customers lifetime value are the main things to look for in potential clients. That's it. Please do comment, like, subscribe, and if you would like more help to scale fast in digital marketing, have a look at our 30-day Kickstart program. Furthermore, I have put all the details in the descriptions below. Please check it if you are interested. That's for now. I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.